What's going on, everyone? 4 and 3 Bros back with another video. We got a good one today. We are working on Camera Man Todd's 2001 Mustang GT. Todd, what do you got for miles on this thing?
40K.
40K. Not bad for a 23-year-old car. This thing is clean. Clean. So what we're going to be doing today is installing, it's up there on the box. Come around. A Raxiom Sequential LED taillight harness. So we're gonna have sequential taillights in the back, and we're gonna be installing all Auxito bulbs. You need 6 for the brakes, tails, and the lights for the reverse lights. And we have the modified harness to eliminate the hyper flash. So what we're going to be doing is installing a harness that is going to turn the regular taillights that just flash, they're going to be sequential. So they're going to, when you turn your turn signal on, it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The same thing when you hit the brake lights, it's going to go 1, 2, 3 fast, and then it's going to stay solid. So you need an 11 mil and a trim removal tool. And what we're going to be doing is popping off. You got little plastic thingies here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and probably the ones for the net if your cars have a net. All right, so we're gonna start by untwisting this. And we're gonna have these 4 plastic trees. So that's gonna free this up. And our liner, we're just gonna tuck that in. So now we're gonna see our exposed 11 mil bolts here. So looks like we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5. Now that we got our 4 nuts off, we're going to go ahead and pull the taillight out, just like that. So, it's probably been a little while since this has been out. Go ahead and show them the harness that you're gonna unplug. So, we got this harness here. Just going to unplug that. So what I'm gonna do is, Camera Man Todd, can you hold up the taillight?
I got it.
I'm going to lift this tab, pull this out. Super easy. Now I'll take the taillight from you, come out here. So what we're gonna be doing is this entire harness is gonna be being removed. So there's this rubber grommet here. We're actually gonna pull. Ooh, that is stuck. This whole thing right out, okay? Just like that. So we're actually going to be leaving all the factory bulbs in here because we're going to be installing our Auxito LED bulbs in there. So what we're going to do is just quarter turn these all out. Like that. You're gonna have a little Christmas tree. There you go. Stripped down harness. You can see, look at that. Wow. Probably a good thing we're replacing these. This is starting to look kind of crusty. All right, so we have our harness out, and you're gonna see these are all numbered. 1, 2, and 3. And this one here is going to be your backup. That's why it is not numbered. So these are going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we got to make sure we just put them in the right orientation. And this is going to be basically the computer box to tell the lights that you want them to sequence. And it's going to be our factory connection. That's going to go through here, and that's going to give you a new seal, just like that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and put our bulbs in, and we'll be right back. All right, see our 3 lights are working. Hit them again. So we're just testing out the functionality. Go ahead and put the car in reverse with the key on. There we go. All right, checking the functionality, everything looks good. We're going to put them in the taillights. All right, so we're going to go ahead and install our wiring harness. There you go. And just a note of reference, if you're going to test your lights like we did, run this through first, because this plug was really hard to get out of the factory harness. So make sure you do that. All we're going to do is kind of work our grommet in, just like so. Nice OEM look. Come on the inside, Todd. Plug only goes in one way. Nice audible click. Now, as you can see, going ahead and install the tail light. Now that our bulbs are connected, all right, so we just put a piece of electrical tape around this just to kind of hold this together. But all we're gonna do now is line up our tail light with the holes. Put that back in place. I'm gonna switch spots with you. Just gonna reinstall our 4 nuts and then we'll hitch back. All right, guys, our taillight is installed. Go ahead and hit us with the reverse light. Wow, there you go. Factory to halogen, man, what a difference. So much more modern. All right, hit us with the brake lights. Look at that. Damn, I'm gonna show you before. Hit it. See, that middle one doesn't even, that middle one isn't even lighting up. So with this is even more. Hit it. Oh yeah, that looks fucking amazing. Awesome. Now go ahead and hit us the 4 ways. Oh, here we go. Before. I wonder if that bulb's blown. I bet it is. After. Dude, come on. Look at that. Hell yeah. Alright guys, so we are in the inside portion of this video to show you the flasher relay. So right now there is one in there. I had a, I think it's an ELM or EP27. Novita EP27 is what's in there now. All right, so we are under the dash here. Now, this is our relay, and I'm pretty sure it goes up here. I don't know if his clip was broken or what, but when we put this in, we must not have put it back. So I don't know if it's focused or not, but all we're gonna do is swap out the relay. So pretend this is the factory relay, and we're gonna install the new one. But if you are gonna go do this and you don't have one, you can go to AutoZone or any auto parts stores and pick this up. It's a Novita EP27. It's also really cheap on Amazon. He does have LEDs in the front blinkers as well. So this right here. And now that's our hazards. Oh, That's weird. They're flashing fast.
Really?
Huh.
Yeah, I might have to change that.
Yeah. Okay, so that is the... Yeah, you can see it's hyper flashing. Very weird. So, quick note, if you're planning on running LEDs in the front as well as the rear, do not use the Raxiom relay, and go ahead and use the Novita EP27. All right, so we put in our Novita EP27 and stuck it back up right here. And now we're gonna hit our flashers, proper speed. So that's one thing to take note of. Do not buy the relay from them if you plan on putting LEDs in the front as well. So we'll show you these one more time. Camera Man Todd, go ahead and cycle those lights. There's the reverse lights. Hit those brakes. Look at that, huh? Man, that looks cool. How about the hazards? Yeah, look at that. One more time. Oh, those Auxito bulbs, man, they look great. Right turn signal, left turn signal. Hell yeah. Looking good. Well guys, that's gonna do it for this video. What do you think, Cameraman Todd?
Looks great.
Looks great. Hell yeah. Easy way to modify a older car and make it much more modern. Throw some LEDs in it and this Raxiom wire harness kit. And little note, if you're gonna run LED turn signals in the front, which obviously you should if you're gonna do them in the back, go ahead and buy the Novita EP27 relay. We'll see you on the next one, guys. Later.